Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Sorry about the dark corner I'm in. I'm under the little Jeep right here. We got to replace that here. That tie rod end that hooks to the, it's an end link that hooks to the Pitman arm. And she's loose right in there in the joint, like. And all you got to do to change that is that right up here, there's a castellated nut. You take that cotter pin loose. Get your nut off. I used to use a pickle fork on these when they're bad because no sense trying to save it, just get it loose. And then you loosen that pinch bolt right there. Don't do anything yet. What I usually do is measure from here to here. I mean, just measure it, get a good idea of what you got. Measure, you know, from right at the collar where the pinch bolt is, and measure out. Find yourself a particular, from here to the center of the grease fitting's good too. I mean, whatever you can do there. And then count your turns as you take it out. And you want to put this one back in the same amount of turns, and hopefully the same measurement. Alright guys, let me get busy. We'll bring you back. Alright folks, we got it. It's all put on there. Pretty easy job. Got the castellated nut up there with the cotter key. Got it on there. It turned out to be 31 turns out. Sometimes the new one will be different length than the old one. You always have to take it to a alignment shop. You just want to get it close enough that you can get it around the corner to your alignment shop. Alright, and got the pinch bolts all tightened up. Time to throw it some grease. A few pumps of grease. And it should be good. But there's the old one. And I'll show you what you need to replace this thing. Pretty simple. You just need something to hold on to the old one so you can turn it. And it's sometimes they turn real easy, sometimes they don't. So I just get a little pair of vice grips, clamp it on that thing so you can turn it and count. Then you need a 3/4 end wrench, your pickle fork, a pair of needle nose pliers, a hammer, and I just use a big ratchet with a 15mm socket on it. That's all you need to replace that part right there. No problem. Took me about 10 or 15 minutes. And remember, you got backwards threads on those things. Those threads are backwards from, so in other words, it's left-hand thread. Then anyway, yeah, this one's pretty soft. That one's had. So there you go guys. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Take it easy. Bye bye.